Hey there, teachers! Exciting news from the Ghana National Association of Teachers, GNAT. Welcome back to the channel.
Jehuk Stello ITAC.
They've just introduced a new Witness and Guarantor System for loan requests. Here's the lowdown. For loans up to GHS 10,000, you only need one witness. Simple, right? But, if you're eyeing a loan exceeding GHS 10,000, you'll need a guarantor. Now, your guarantor must be a registered and active fund member with a minimum of 6 months contribution. They can vouch for a maximum of 2 qualified loan applicants at the same time. Oh, and make sure they provide a color copy of their Ghana card, both front and back, for that authenticity check. And, here's the catch. Your guarantor should have an active service period not shorter than the loan duration. Fair deal, isn't it? This new system kicks in from February 2024, according to the fund's leadership. So, get ready to witness, or guarantee, those loan requests. For more details, check out the GNAT Loan New Payment Chart for Teachers Fund. And if you're thinking of applying for the GNAT Teachers Fund Investment Capital Loan, we've got you covered with the procedures. Happy borrowing, teachers!